Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I have a Ruby Box product to share with you guys. I literally sound like an advert for these people. One thing I love about Ruby Box is that they send me products for my honest opinion. Whenever I say negative things about certain products, they are never offended. I am yet to find a product that just completely blows my mind, apart from folic acid. I feel like all influencers should be given honest reviews because I feel like every single brand can improve in a certain way. So today's product that I'm going to be reviewing is the Nivea Micellar water. Micellar water became like a huge thing a while back, and I heard that Nivea was making one. I felt very on the fence about it because I was like, you see, this is quite an old thing already. Everybody jumped onto the micellar water bandwagon a couple of months ago and just became this huge thing. And then Nivea waited a couple of months and now they have one, but at the same time was super stoked because I just absolutely love Nivea. Obviously when I got this, I was asked to test it out for 2 weeks, only remove my makeup with this every night for 2 weeks and then decide how I felt about it, which was perfect for me because I am a wet wipe, grab and go kind of girl. I was a little disappointed with the smell because it's such a vague smell, and I was expecting that real Nivea smell, and I'm sure you guys, those of you who have ever used Nivea before, know exactly what I'm talking about. Nivea has this very particular scent. I was expecting that Nivea lotion smell, but at the same time it's pretty nice that it doesn't really have a scent because then my sinuses cannot react to it. With regards to my skin, I did get a few breakouts over here, but like you guys know, I tend to get breakouts on my chin. That's nothing new for me. The rest of my skin just actually felt so moisturized, which I love because I can really have terribly dry skin when the seasons start to change. My skin felt so moisturized. My foundation looked better on my skin because it was nice and moisturized. The only negative things I can say about this product is that number one, I was disappointed in the smell, and number two, it struggles to remove waterproof mascara. So the only mascara I wear is waterproof mascara because I wear glasses every single day of my life. I have to permanently clean my glasses, which is already a huge problem in my life. So this really did struggle to remove waterproof mascara because it's not very oil based. Furthermore, I literally don't have any complaints about this. I feel like it removed all of the impurities from my skin every single night. It left my skin feeling soft, moisturized, supple. It does remove makeup except for waterproof mascara like I just said, and refreshes and tones 100%. This is like, I would probably replace my everyday toner with this any day of the week. It lasted me so long, so I've literally only used that much in 2 weeks time. So let me show you actually how it works. I'll remove my eye makeup, the rougher side of the cotton pad, then I just wet it like so, and then I'll show you on my eyes how it removes makeup, and you'll see what I mean with the waterproof mascara.
Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best. That's how it looks.
Like, that's pretty damn cool. And it did remove off my mascara, as you can see, but it doesn't completely remove the mascara in the way that you would want your nighttime makeup remover to remove.
Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.
Like I said, no product can be absolutely perfect, but I really did enjoy this. I will definitely buy it again. It didn't aggravate my skin, it was so soft on my skin. And that is that on the Nivea Micellar water from my side. So thank you guys so much for joining. Have a gorgeous day.